It was anticipated that the Android 14 release version would have been made available on September 5th via the Android Open Source Project website, at which time it would have spread across the ecosystem, from tiny hobbyist projects to large-scale corporations. The newest Android security release notes, according to Mishal Rahman, will be released on October 4th, which many are interpreting as the new launch date for Android 14 and is also the day before Google's launch event for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. The delay is reportedly due to security issues. The fact that Google published an unannounced fifth beta of Android 14 in the middle of August, indicating that additional work and testing was needed, makes the delay in the final release somewhat predictable. This delay confirms that we'll have to wait and watch what happens with other manufacturers that want to release their own operating systems based on Android 14, like OnePlus Oxygen OS 14, which was announced last week and will arrive on September 25th. However, this will be the first time that the Pixel launch coincides with the publication of the Android Open Source Project code. It's doubtful that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will be available for purchase right away after the presentation. Most manufacturers start taking pre-orders during an event, and Google will be no exception. That gives Google a few weeks to create an over-the-air upgrade for Android 14 that includes the most recent software updates and security patches.